Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So a lot of people were asking me to make a video on a good TWS earbuds at a very affordable price. And well, I just had to do that for you guys. On my desk I have these budget TWS earbuds from this brand known as Ptron. And it actually offers some really good features for the price. This thing has smart touch controls, LCD display and also a built-in mic, all for only ₹12.99. They're called the Ptron Bassbuds Pro and are BT 5.0 truly wireless earbuds. Going to the backside, we've got some of its highlights. They have a Bluetooth range of 10 meters, each of the earbuds come with a 40 mAh battery and the case comes with 300 mAh battery. And the company says that it offers around 4 hours of battery life. Well, I'll tell you all about that later in the video. First, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just take them out and show you how they look like. So here is the Ptron's charging case. Damn, look at this! This thing is so small and compact. Very nice. It's also quite lightweight guys and comes only in black color. And here are the Bassbuds Pro from Ptron. They've got a minimalistic design with a round and compact form factor, and I have to say they look decent from my first impressions. Along with that, you also get a USB Type-C cable for charging, a packet of extra ear tips in different sizes, and a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product. So that's it guys, these were all the stuff we got in the box. Now let me give you a closer look at the earbuds. First let me show you the case. So this is how the charging case looks like. The Ptron Bassbuds Pro come with a very small and compact case that is great for travel purpose. And the build quality looks decent. The body is made of plastic material and has a nice matte black finishing. Going to the backside, this thing has a USB Type-C port for charging. I didn't expect that for this price, and has some details regarding the product on the bottom side. Well, that's pretty much it on the outside, and as soon as you open the case, you'll see the LCD display automatically lights up. You have 2 slots for the earbuds and a small LCD display at the center that shows you all the battery info as well as the charging status. The display is bright, sharp and easily readable. Now let me show you the Ptron BT 5.0 earbuds. The Bassbuds Pro have a capsule-like rounded design and feel very lightweight in the hand. They only come in black color and have a nice matte black finishing just like the case. The build quality is decent, even they are made of plastic, but the best part about them is these budget TWS also have smart touch controls. You see this top area? This whole surface is the touch panel and can be used to manage phone calls as well as music controls. And there's also a tiny status LED indicator on the left. On the bottom we've just got some charging contacts, the Ptron branding, and the ear tips also feel soft and durable. So that was our complete overview on these earbuds. Now what I'll do is I'll just power them on, pair them with my phone and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Bassbuds Pro are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. The grip is also nice, doesn't fall off that easily. Talking about the sound, now guys, first of all keep in mind that these are budget category affordable TWS, so do not expect or even compare them with premium audio devices. For the price of ₹12.99, they were actually offering decent quality sound. The mids were crisp and clear and all the dialogues were easily understandable. The treble quality was also nice. And talking about the bass was good. I'd say it was punchy but not that overwhelming also. The distortion is also minimum up to 85% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output is also good. See guys, for the price what you're paying, you'll definitely be satisfied with them. Also don't forget these earbuds also come with a built-in microphone, but the microphone quality was not that good. The other person couldn't hear me clearly what I was talking, especially in noisy environments. Alright, now let's talk about battery. Each of these earbuds come with a built-in 40 mAh battery, and on an average I was getting around 2.5 to 3 hours of music playtime at 75% volume level. But not to worry, the case also comes with a built-in battery and can charge the earbuds fully up to 3 times. Well, that was my video on this budget TWS earbuds from Ptron. The Bassbuds Pro have a compact, travel-friendly design, offer smart touch controls, LCD display, good audio quality for the price, as well as decent battery life. The only thing I felt was the microphone quality could have been better. They cost around ₹12.99. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.